Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to this channel. My name is Larry Thomas. On this particular channel, we'll be talking about videography and photography. Alright guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so at this particular time, you guys. Alright guys, if you can give me a thumbs up at the end of this video, guys, I would surely appreciate it. Alright, today video I want to talk about to make more money. I want to make more money, to show you some ways how to make more money. Alright, the first thing I would say, stop worrying about people that don't value your work. Stop worrying about those people that won't pay for your work or pay for your time. Don't worry about them, man. Focus on people that will pay for your time. Those high-end paying clients. Focus on them. Next thing I would say, find people with money. Find people with money. Find some big companies, high-end companies. Find people that you know they all over the place. You can really tell people, tell who has it or who are willing to pay, and find out what they're lacking in their company. You feel me? Next, I would say research companies and products you can help. Research ways you will research companies and find ways that you can help. If you're pushing their product, making videos for their product, you taking pictures of their product, whatever the case may be, find ways that you can help. You feel me? Next thing I will say, show them how you can help them with video. Show them how you can help them with their social media. Show them ways. They want solutions. They want people that gonna help them. You feel me? And once you have that solution, they're probably gonna recommend you to other people, and you're gonna get all these referrals from big other high-paying clients. Next thing I would say, don't worry about people. Don't worry about people who don't want to pay. Don't worry about people who don't want to pay for your work. Don't worry about those people, man. I know it can be a heartbreaking sometimes when you, especially if you have somebody close that you kind of know, and they're like, can you do it for this such and because I don't have this this much money. But at the same time, you got to be like, you got to say that hard no to them, like, no man, I can find somebody for you. You feel me? And send them somebody, send them somewhere else. To the end of the day, you want to get those high-paying jobs. You don't want people to think that they can just come and pay what they want to pay you. You feel me? All right. And the next thing I will say, I don't know what it's gonna say. Oh, okay. All right. Don't change your pricing. Change what you offer to them. Change what you can do for them. You feel me? Just say you have a package with $500 in, that's offering edit, that's offering 1 to 2 minute, 3 to 5 minute promo or something like that. Change what you're offering to them. Like they want to go lower, change for like I can do you a 1 to 2 minute video instead of 3 to 5 minute video. So they let you know you won't be really changing your value, your work. You just be changing what you offering to them. You feel me? Because you let them get what they pay for. They want to pay lowball you. That's going to change what you offering to them. You feel me? At the end of the day, you win. You feel me? So that's all I have for you guys today on how to make money, man. I hope this helped you guys, man. I'm just sharing my experience as I go. I'm not saying I'm all that right now. I'm not saying I'm making all millions right now, but I will be soon. But I'm just sharing the knowledge, what I've learned. I watch videos all day long, YouTube videos, and I'm focusing on my business more like never before. I'm dreaming about it. I'm going to sleep, I wake up thinking about it. Instead of watching movies, I watch ways to build business, and when I watch them, I'm coming over here and I'm giving it to you guys, the knowledge that I know, and the things that work. You feel me? And I want everybody to get paid. You feel me? It's enough for all of us to get paid out there. All right, you guys. All right, like I said, please subscribe to this channel. Excuse me. If you can give me a thumbs up, man, I would surely appreciate it, you guys. All right, let me know, man, some ways you can make money. Know the ways that you have come up with. Let me know in the comments, you guys. All right, guys. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.